The demand for wire cutting and stripping machines is rising as DIY enthusiasts, electricians, and recycling businesses seek faster and more efficient solutions. These machines save time, reduce manual effort, and improve precision when handling copper. This heavy-duty wire stripping machine from Creworks is engineered for versatility, featuring 11 individual channels to handle wires from 0.06 to 1.6 inches in diameter. The multi-channel design makes it ideal for electricians and scrap recyclers who work with different wire sizes daily. Its powerful motor ensures smooth and continuous operation, significantly reducing manual labor. The adjustable blade and channel settings allow precise stripping without damaging the wire, while the robust metal construction ensures long-lasting durability in workshop environments. Ease of operation is a standout feature, with a simple feed-in system that lets users quickly set up and process multiple wire types. Whether you're processing heavy-duty industrial cables or smaller electrical wires, this machine provides consistency and speed. This speed-adjustable automatic wire stripper from Creworks is designed for precision and control, making it perfect for users who process varying types of wires. Its real-time speed display allows you to fine-tune the stripping pace for optimal efficiency and safety. The machine supports a wide diameter range and features a sharp, wear-resistant blade for smooth and accurate stripping. Adjusting the speed ensures that softer wires aren't damaged while maintaining high throughput for tougher cables. Built from high-strength materials, this model offers excellent stability and durability. Its compact footprint makes it suitable for workshops with limited space, while its intuitive controls make it beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for professional use. List number 3. Vevor Electric Wire Stripping Machine. 0.06 to -0.98 Automatic Wire Stripper Machine, 60W. Wire strip with visible stripping depth reference. The Vevor Electric Wire Stripping Machine stands out for its visible stripping depth reference, giving users real-time guidance to achieve precise results. With a powerful 60W motor, it handles wires from 0.06 to 0.98 in diameter, making it versatile for both residential and light industrial use. The machine's ergonomic design and clear depth indicators make it easy to avoid overstripping or damaging wire insulation. It runs efficiently, delivering consistent results while reducing manual effort. Constructed from high-grade aluminum alloy, the Vevor machine offers durability without being excessively heavy. Its user-friendly operation and stable performance make it a go-to choice for electricians. List 4. This Creworks automatic wire stripper is designed for precision stripping of small to medium-sized wires, supporting wire diameters from 0.06 inches to 0.9 inches. It features an adjustable feed hole that ensures compatibility with various wire sizes. The machine's powerful motor and sharp cutting blade deliver clean and accurate stripping, while the adjustable feed system makes setup quick and easy. Its compact yet durable design allows for prolonged use in busy work environments. Ideal for small-scale recycling operations or electrical projects, this model combines power, adjustability, and ease of use. With minimal setup and fast operation, it helps save time while maintaining high-quality results. A great choice for those who need a dependable wire stripping solution with customizable settings for consistent performance. List number 5. Creworks Manual Wire Stripper Machine. 0.06 to 1 Wire Stripping Machine. Wire stripping tool for 1.5 to 25 mm scrap wire. For users who prefer a manual stripping option, this Creworks model offers a cost-effective and portable solution. Designed to handle wire diameters between 0.06 and 1, it is ideal for light use or as a backup to electric models. Built with a sturdy frame and a sharp cutting blade, it provides reliable performance without requiring electricity, making it perfect for fieldwork or off-grid applications. The manual crank system allows for controlled operation while keeping costs low. This machine is especially appealing for hobbyists or small-scale recyclers who need a simple, durable, and efficient tool for occasional wire stripping tasks. For affordability and portability,